Hey, what's up guys? John here. I have some incredible news for all the entrepreneurs, the business owners, for, everyday Americans. They're wondering what's going to happen next. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen next. I'm going to tell you what you can do about it right now because the economy is changing. I've been talking about this for probably a year and a half saying, you know what? I called the height. I said all the smart money is selling Q3, Q4, 2021, and 2022 is going to get harder. Here we are. Things are really tightening up. Interest rates are increasing. And now what they're going to do is increase rates throughout 2023 and 2024. We are going to see the mountain of debt that is America break. 1.2 trillion in outstanding credit card debt. 1.2 trillion. And now credit cards are the highest they've been, interest rates, since 1995. So 25 years, the highest they've been in 25 years. You have mortgage rates highest since 2008, right before the bubble, right as everything crashed. Auto loan rates since 2012, right? The last 10 years. So what are we going to see here? The auto loan bubble, $1.7 trillion in outstanding auto loans. What we're going to start to see here is every single month it's going to get harder and harder and harder to service this debt. And so we're going to see more and more and more defaults, and we're going to see a lot of Americans closing up businesses, and we're going to start to see a lot of business owners laying off employees. Now, the big question you have to ask yourself, and the big question I'm asking myself, is what product or service can I sell that is going to either make people's lives better by making them more money or decreasing their monthly expenses, making them happier, making them healthier? What can I do to make sure how I'm positioning myself is going to be something that people must have, not like a recreational purchase, like, oh, I'd like to have it. No, things people really need to have. And the best business that I believe for me right now is credit repair at cashnow.video. I'm the founder of cashnow.video, and this will be the largest and most successful credit repair business in the country in the next 12 months. We're going to help more people than any other credit repair business. And the reason being is, sure, we're going to have incredible customer service, and sure, we are going to help people. But what we are doing that's more strategic is that we are essentially just partnering up with Americans to help Americans. We're not going to be partnering up with Facebook or any of these corporations. We're not doing it. And that is one thing that really breaks the back of business owners, is when you are paying these corporations, Facebook, for example. If I were to run ads on Facebook, it would cost me $100 to $150 to get a customer. And so after I factor in my cost, I'd be operating at a loss if I were to, price it at a level that was affordable. So I have a way in which me and you can work together, in which you can make a ton of money, and me and you can help a lot of people. So right now, the population of America is about 330 million. We have 258 million of which are over the age of 18. 40% have a credit score less than 700, right? And so what is that number? It's over 100 million Americans. So a third of the entire population of America has a credit score below 700 that are getting hit with predatory interest rates, with either credit cards or auto loans, right? They are hurting. And so what we are doing is we are positioning ourselves to help more people get out of high interest debt. And so how me and you can work together is very simple. I'm going to walk you over here and show you exactly how this model works. So the traditional model is that I would pay Zuckerberg here, and we'd pay him $100 to $150 a lead. However, this new model is I have all of this content, all short form videos talking about personal finance, real estate investing, credit repair, all of these topics based on business. And you will have access to it in a Google Drive folder. You take the course that I have, it's like 10 minutes. You take the course, you'll learn exactly how to post the content to get organic reach and to grow and gain views on these videos. You post them on, whether it be YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, you post them on social media, and then my team will track how many views you're getting. They'll have your username, and they'll go search your username and find out how many views you're getting, and then issue you weekly payouts. So rather than me paying Zuckerberg every single week at just insane rates where he basically controls the success of the business, we will just pay you directly. We will pay you directly to post the content. You'll use the hashtags that we give you, and then we'll essentially target the customers that we are going for. And then so you will end up making the money right here on the page views, plus in the description, in the bio of your social media, you can have your own custom affiliate link. Think of like an Amazon affiliate link, where if you were to use someone's Amazon affiliate link, that person will get a commission. The same thing would happen, except you would be getting commission. So for example, if 100 people signed up for credit repair, you would get a $59.50 commission per customer. So 100 people would be $5,950 monthly plus the views. So if you add up both, you can see quickly how fast that this can scale. And the average person that goes on for credit repair might be there for 3 months, might be there for 6 months, or 7 or 8 months. It depends on if they have one issue on their credit that we're working on, or 20. So the longer the process is, the longer that they're going to be on as a customer, and the more you are going to get paid. You're going to get paid direct deposit. You even have your own affiliate portal. And so how that works is you literally will be able to log in to your own custom portal. This is 100% free, by the way, to join. You'll be able to log into your own custom portal. You'll be able to see exactly how many people are clicking the link, how many people are signing up. You'll be able to track all of your payments, everything. And you have a private Discord community with everyone inside of it, where you are going to see the payouts that we're going to be paying out every single week. I have $100,000 that I'm going to be allocating directly just for the video views. $100,000 that I'm going to be spending on this over the next 90 plus days, right? So what I'm going to do is all of the money, the other money that is left over, not the $59.50 that you would be getting, the other money would be going not towards me paying expenses, not towards offices or legal or office space or anything like that. None of that. That all will simply go back and pay more and more and more, because I'm just focusing on growing the business. I'm going to be coming out of pocket the entire time to fund everything. And so all I'm going to be focusing on is growing the brand, not really being, profitable right now, just growing the brand, helping a lot of people, and then maybe I'll be profitable in about 3 to 6, 8 months. But I'm going to self-fund this whole entire thing. And then once we really have thousands and thousands and thousands of people, then maybe at that time I'm going to start taking profits. But for right now, my goal is to be number one in the next 12 months, the largest and most successful credit repair company, help more people get out of debt and improve their lives than any other company in the country. If you'd like to work with me, I would love to work with you. Simply go to cashnow.video/money. Cashnow.video/money. You can get started. You're even going to have live training calls with me. I'm going to teach you exactly how to do everything. You need no experience. You need no following. You need only internet connection. That's the only thing that you need. If you'd like to get started, cashnow.video/money. But this is what I think is going to happen. If people are really smart and strategic, and they really, really go for it, you're going to make a fortune in the next 12 months, 18 months, 2 years. If you don't, I'm telling you what's going to happen is that everything is just going to get harder and harder and harder and more expensive. Now, whatever business you are in, if you maybe have your own business or maybe you don't, really ask yourself, how can I really change my perception of money? Because that was one thing that really crippled me when I was younger. I would always think that $50,000 was a lot of money, or $100,000 a year was a lot of money, because that was what society told me. But when we look at what's happening right now, and they printed 40% of all USD since the founding of this country in the last 2 years. The dollar means almost nothing, right? And so if we are still putting our minds around a small figure like $100,000 a year, $50,000 a year, $20,000 a year, whatever the number is, you gotta realize that they are giving billions and billions and billions of dollars to all these other places. They're just giving away money. I mean, the money means almost nothing. It's just like numbers in a computer screen. So the real reality is you have to ask yourself, how are you gonna make a fortune? How are you gonna invest properly? How are you gonna position yourself for the hard times? The hard times are coming. I think the easiest way is this copy and paste business model. You literally can do it 1 hour per day, and you can really start getting paid out on video views. You can get paid out on the affiliate signups. You can even sign up friends, family. The customer service is absolutely incredible. We're already helping a lot of people. We just want to scale this up quickly, and we want to do it without paying Zuckerberg or Facebook or any of these companies a single dollar. We don't want to pay them a single dollar. We want to put all of our money back to the people, and then the people are going to help the people. Kind of like that movie, Pay It Forward. I love that movie growing up. It's, that's the model that I want to go for. So if you want to work with me, I would love to work with you. Cashnow.video/money. Subscribe here. Subscribe also to my second channel, and LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok up in the banner. And drop your comments below. What industries do you think are going to be the most successful over the next few years? I personally think that we should also pay attention to some of the industries that are going to be changing forever. Restaurant industries, robotics, all these things are going to be coming out over the next 5 to 10 years that are going to change everything. So make sure you're spending your time very, very intelligently right now, and you're making smart investments, especially trying to get out of any type of high interest credit card debt, because it's just going to get harder and harder and harder. Spend your time intelligently now, and you'll be thanking yourself tomorrow. All right, guys, see you in the next video.